This is how I make waffles. You can make them however you want. This is how I do it. So I start with my waffle maker on the stove at a decent temperature. Now this waffle maker is kind of hard to do both sides of this. I've got the batter pre-made, but there's all kinds of recipes online for batter. I'll leave one down in the description too. So once your skillet waffle pan is hot, you put about a half a cup of batter into it. Kind of hard for me to do this where you can see it, but basically I do measure these out just to keep the size the same from waffle to waffle. Set a timer for 2 minutes. When the 2 minutes time is up, you want to open up the lid of the waffle maker and check the consistency of the waffle. If it's all one piece and don't fall apart, it's ready to flip. Sometimes you might have to go for 3 minutes. I think that it's good. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Now you only do 1 minute. If you've got a different cast iron waffle pan than I've got, you'll have to experiment with how much you put in there. Different recipes too will also thicken up and rise more than other recipes, so it's just kind of like trial and error till you find something that works for your waffle maker. Once the 1 minute timer goes off, we'll check it again. That looks pretty good to me. I'll go ahead and cook these up and show you what they look like when I'm done, but you basically just repeat the process over and over until you've used all your mixture. Now these cast iron waffle pans get hot, so make sure you've got a towel or something to hold on to both sides of the pan. Depending on if you like them light or dark, may or may not be done. Something like this. Nom 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 nom. And if you made the salted caramel sauce and it's cooled down enough to thicken, you can go ahead and use it. But I'm going to be honest with you, I don't wait on it to thicken because it is good just the way it is. And I heap it on there.